Do you know that the modern artificial intelligence we see today owes much of its success to a woman? Yes, her name is Fei-Fei Li, a Chinese-American scientist who taught machines how to see. Fei-Fei Li was born in Beijing, China in 1976. Her childhood was ordinary, but her dreams were extraordinary. At the age of 16, she moved to the United States with her parents. Money was scarce, but determination was abundant. She studied during the day and worked with her parents at a laundry in the evenings. With time and hard work, Fei-Fei graduated from Princeton University with a degree in physics, and later earned her Ph.D. from Caltech, specializing in computer vision, the field of teaching computers to see. In 2007, she launched a project that changed the world, the ImageNet Project. ImageNet is a vast library containing over 14 million images, used to train computers to recognize objects in pictures. This very database sparked a revolution in artificial intelligence. Today, when AI recognizes images, detects faces, or powers self-driving cars, behind it all lies the pioneering work of Fei-Fei Li. Fei-Fei Li believes that artificial intelligence should be for the benefit of humanity, not just for tech companies. To fulfill this vision, she founded the Stanford Human-Centered AI Institute, where she works to connect AI with human values, empathy, and ethics. In 2023, she published her book, The Worlds I See, sharing her life's journey of struggle and success. Today, Fei-Fei Li stands as an inspiration for women across the world, proving that no dream is impossible when your intentions are true. This was the story of the woman who gave eyes to computers and introduced the world to a new vision of artificial intelligence.